welcome back. Today we are making another video, and yes, if you are wondering, I still got a haircut. Woo.
I didn't because I never want to cut my hair ever. Okay, JK.
But yeah,
Obviously, you think everybody would be sleeping right now.
they're not. They're preparing for this tropical storm that's about to hit.
And then sleeping extra. And so,
Yeah.
so you have a thunder.
Yep, there's some thunder, so we know that it's definitely going to hit later on.
It's like really light thunder, and it's only like 10:37 right now.
Yeah, it's supposed to hit at 12 around lunchtime.
Yeah, it's supposed to be hitting like around lunchtime, so we only have like a couple hours.
Yeah, we're going to be...
Who knows, it may come closer or sooner or what, I don't know.
Yeah, we're going to be at her house when it's raining because, like, I don't want to run through the rain and get my tablet wet, so, like, yeah.
Open this one, I want to eat it. I want to eat gum.
You didn't give me a piece? No, I'm kidding. Kidding.
Oh, no, I have to say it, please.
Or Tyree, I'm guessing.
And my friend Reagan.
And Reagan. Wait, so you have like 2 pieces?
Mm-hmm. Only 2 pieces left. It's terribly sad though because a lot of our friends are moving away from us or going somewhere.
They're just going into a hotel for a while. They'll be back on like Friday or so. But if there is a hurricane, we will be at Aubrey's house, probably inside. Or I will be at my house inside, sleeping through the whole thing, trying to at least.
Me too.
But
It seems like every time it rains, everybody just wants to go to sleep. I mean,
like,
you do that too.
I was
like, see
awake
it.
all night last night trying to fight the rain.
Me too.
I did not want to go to sleep. I was trying to film stuff. Not want to go to sleep at all. I was trying to film this tropical storm yesterday because, like, I wanted to show y'all that my back stairs were flooded. So, yeah.
Oh, right here was flooded.
Yeah. You could tell because, like, it's white. Well,
Something like
maybe
that.
you guys.
Headed out to the driveway. Oh yeah.
Wait, your mom? You didn't ask your mom though.
You just come in here and sit. Just don't let it go.
Yeah, I'm not good at this.
No, look, you just pull it down. That's my kneecap.
I'm still not doing that.
I'm just sitting in my mom's car casually. Come sit with me.
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna get in trouble.
I'm holding it right here. You can come sit. Oh, yeah,
I
I'm
think it would
holding
be best to ask your mom first. Because remember, she let us last time.
How about we get in my I'll show you. Okay, we're gonna get in my car.
Wow.
Yay, car!
Aubrey, I think I'm seeing rain. Probably not, though.
Jacob left his dollar in here, so my dollar now. Come in. Fine, I'll sit here.